èèyàn kan ṣì ń fọ ẹsẹ̀.
I heard that I'm here with the hay to the throne, but they said, let's hear from the horse's mouth. Can we meet you for means of introduction, your name and your stakes?
Yes, I am Larunsi Edward, and I am from Ogun State originally, and then Lagos State artificially.
All right. Having been gathered here today, seeing number of guests present here today on the preamble of the first year coronation and other projects invented and other projects implemented by His Royal Highness, how do you feel being here today?
I think it's obvious that for me to actually come and feel loved by the presence, I think it's just normal. It is just it is outstanding based on the fact that okay, this is someone that is actually really close to my heart, and he's doing things to make other people happy just the same way that I am happy. So I feel like happiness is the goal and love actually triumphs. So I think I'm elated to be here, seeing the faces of others here and seeing the fact that okay, they are actually enjoying what he has been on to, based on the fact that this is the eve of his 1 year coronation. He's actually done enough, and he's done sufficiently enough for people to be happy. He's putting smiles on the faces of people here, so I think that actually makes me happy. So I'm feeling elated. You are looking at it on two perspectives basically. First off, as my dad, I think there's no human that is perfect, but I think I'll give him the rate of a 105 over 100.
Wow.
So that is as my dad. And then as a community leader, based on the fact that every single thing is hierarchical, there's a scale of preference to things, there's a hierarchy to things. So basically, first year coronation, this is the eve of the first year coronation, so I think he has done quite a lot.
Has performed excellently.
Based on the fact that, based on what I can see, this is not hearsay, this is factual. So he's done more than expected on the pedestal of things that he's achieved right now. And I think I'm actually really glad. I'm glad to be a member of the family. I'm glad to be someone that is extremely close to him, and I'm glad to be someone to see him really reach these heights. Continues to hold down a threshold just the same way that he is doing, and he has always been doing from way back. He's someone that has this perseverance, someone that's always seen an optimistic point as more or less, let's say, an evolution. He sees things that an ordinary human being can't see. He sees the good when a good is just 1% and the bad is like 99. He sees that good in it and he wants to actually
actualize the good.
You understand? So basically, he's someone that he's there. He's someone that he's like a threshold, like I said. He's a threshold to every single thing positively.
Okay, lastly, let me take you from start to the end. How can you describe him as a father?
As a father, I think if I should hold the mic right now and scream out to the crowd that how many people can describe him as a father, I think a whole lot of people will come out to say the same thing. That I would say I would not even need to speak, based on the fact that he doesn't act like a father figure just to his kids. He acts like that to every single person he comes across. So I think that's like explicit. It is just a natural feeling, an outflow of the kind of person that he is, the kind of personality that he actually puts up. He doesn't let you see the fact that okay, I am not this person, I'm this person. He shows you the father figure, even if you are at all.
No criticism
at all. He's someone that is blunt. So if you don't take the truth from someone like that, then you should understand the fact that you are the one having the problem. If you can't stand the fact that a person tells you the truth and tells you the facts to your eyes and to your ears, then you are the one having the problem. He's factual, he's straight to the point, he's a godfather, even to me.
Torí ètò orúkọ ti tèmi náà pè ní comrade Ọlájídé Sùmọ́là, ọmọ abẹ̀rù àgbà láti Aṣọ́rẹ̀dò nílùú Àbújá. Àmọ́ wọ́n ní ẹnu onípọ̀ láti ń dọ́pọ̀ ẹ káàbọ̀ sí irú ètò ìlú Baale Sorobi. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí lorúkọ yín àti pé kí là ń ṣe ìgbà lọ́jọ́ ètò ní.
Orúkọ tèmi ni Chief Ọ̀túnba Adéyínká Kànjí, aṣojú ọba of Owu Kingdom.
Ẹjọ́ kí là ń ṣe bíbá ilé ní àti pé kí lẹ lè sọ nípa Baale wa ní ráńpẹ́.
Chief Edward Dada Baale Sorobi, ọ̀rẹ́ mi tímọ́tímọ́ ni, àjọ wà tipẹ́tipẹ́.
Látọdún mélòó ni ti mọ̀?
Sábà ní ṣeré àti tóbi ọdún mẹ́wàá ń sìn.
Ó mi pé ọdún ni wọ́n kò já ìmọ̀ polówó.
Ọdún ni ìjà ìmọ̀ polówó.
Kí lẹ lè sọ nípa Baale? Ó ń pa dáadáa, ń pa àmọ́ tá a bá sọ báyìí náà báyìí Baale.
A lè sọ púpọ̀ ń bẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n àwọn mẹ́fà ṣókí ń bẹ̀ ni. Baale Sorobi Edward Dada jẹ́ èèyàn tá a ti mọ̀ nígbà tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ ìròyìn as Expo magazine. Àjọ máa ń káàkiri ni. Ó jẹ́ educate somebody. Ó dẹ̀ ní organisation tó dáa. Ìsìnkú tá a gbé lọ tí àkí máa ń gba ìbọ̀. So ó jẹ́ èèyàn tó yẹ pé ó ní kìmí, ó gbajúmọ̀, ó mọ̀ọ̀yàn. So lórí iṣẹ́ tó dẹ̀ ń ṣe kó tó di pé ó di Baale gẹ́gẹ́ bí Expo, ó jẹ́ èèyàn tó yẹ pé wèèyàn like. Ó wà lóyà, ó máa ń pọ́n ọdún, máa ń pọ́n àgbàlagbà lé. Tó bá wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ó máa ń ṣe. Káyọ̀ tẹ̀gàn kúrò ń bẹ̀, èèyàn ni. Èèyàn ni.
Ní àkótọ́ ní ráńpẹ́ ẹ bá sọ, kí ni àmọ̀ràn yín fún gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ìlú Sorobi àtàwọn tó mọ Baale gẹ́gẹ́ bí oníròyìn àti àwọn Abẹ́òkúta?
Àmọ̀ràn mi fún wọn, mo ti máa ń sọ fún wọn ti pé àmọ̀ràn mi fún wọn ni pé nígbà tó máa jẹ Baale náà tá a wá síbí, mo pé gbogbo àwọn tó jẹ́ ọmọ ìlú Baale tó wà yìí, ẹ fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ dúró tì í, ẹ lọ́kọ̀ ìjà wàdé o, pẹ̀lú máa ń jọ mọ́ èèyàn ni wà nínú ìkórè máa mì, ṣùgbọ́n tẹ́ bá dúró tì í, tẹ́ bá yọ sọ́wọ́ pọ̀ ìlú yìí máa develop ju bóyá wà yìí lọ. Àwọn kan ti ń lò ẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀, ìgbà tó dé ṣé kìí ṣe wà ń bẹ̀, wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé èèyàn kan ti dé tó jọ́ mọ̀wé ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n, ó ṣe Baale oko, ẹ sọ wọ́n papọ̀ mọ́, wọ́n dẹ̀ promise mi náà pé àwọn ọjọ́ máa ṣe, tẹ́ bá jọ ṣe tí ló bá grow up ẹjọ́ máa gbádùn ẹ̀ ni. Torí Baale kọ́kọ́ ló bá gbé yí báyìí. Àwọn tó ṣe tẹ́nàntì náà á bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ pé ẹ support Baale yìí kí nǹkan tún lè wọlé sínú ìlú. Ó ní méjì tó dáa lọ́wọ́, bẹ̀tà àjẹjọ́ kan gbẹ́rù dòrí, ẹ support ẹ jẹ́ ẹ fún lọ́wọ́, tó bá ti ń gbé sókè ẹ má gbé wálẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ promise mi àmọ̀ràn fún wọn tó wá àti tó wà lù ní pé ìforítì gbogbo nǹkan láyé yìí ìjọba bí wọn kọ́ lọ mọ́ rìn. Baale yìí ti jẹ́ ẹni tó ti jáde káàkiri, ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ mọ́làjú wọlé kó support ẹ̀. Mo dẹ̀ nígbàgbọ́ lọ́kàn mi pé with education, with understanding, with the population tó ní, ìlú yìí máa dáa.
Thank you.